Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to talk about beautiful crochet bedsheet designs. Crochet bedsheets are handmade, stylish and add a special touch to your bedroom. They are not just a comfort but also for decoration. A crochet bedsheets can make your room look warm, elegant and unique. Let's explore some easy and beautiful crochet bedsheet designs. First is the granny square bedsheets. This is one of the most popular designs. It is made using small square patterns joined together. You can use different colors to create a bright and colorful look. Next is the floral crochet bedsheets. This design includes beautiful flower patterns. It gives a fresh and soft look to your bedroom. You can use light colors for a calm feel or bright colors for a bold style. Another lovely idea is the lace crochet bed sheets. This design has small open space and delicate patterns. It looks very elegant and perfect for a classy bedroom style. You can also try the simple plain pattern bed sheets. This design uses basic stitches like double crochet. It is easy to make and looks clean and neat, perfect for beginners. Now let's talk about geometric pattern bed sheets. This design uses shapes like squares, diamonds or lines. It gives a modern and stylish look to your room. Another great idea is the splits crochet bed sheets. You can use two or more colorful creative splits. This design is simple but very attractive. Now let's talk about how to start making a crochet bedsheet. First, choose your yarn. Soft cotton yarn is a good choice because it is comfortable and strong. Next, choose the right hook size. This helps you make neat and even stitches. Start with small patterns or squares if you are a beginner. Then join them together to create a full bed sheet. Take your time and work slowly. Big projects like bed sheets need practice. Now here are some easy tips. Always keep your stitches even. Use matching color for a beautiful look. Wash your crochet bed sheet gently to keep it in good shape. You can also make matching pillow covers to complete the set. This makes your bedroom look more stylish. Crochet bed sheets are also a great idea for gifts. Handmade items always feel special and meaningful. Crochet is not just a hobby, it is relaxing and creative. So friends, thanks for watching my video. See you again. Allah Hafiz.